how to convert AV port to VGA. Hello friends, use this converter. You can convert the AV output of device such as HD camera or receiver satellite or PS3 or DVD and VCD or CC camera to VGA and connect that output the monitor and projector that have a VGA input. Very well, let's go to test and install AV to VGA converter. Before that, let's review the specification mentioned on the back of the package. No need install drivers, portable, flexible, plug and play, low power, no need power supply, output, audio, and resolution support. Here you can see. Here we see a power cable that connects to the USB port. First, here we see a power cable that connects to the USB port. Here USB power with the mini USB connector. That's good. There is an AV input with 3 colors here. Connect red and white for audio and yellow for video. The output of a converter is also known here, a special port that must be connected to the VGA cable. You can see, connect the VGA cable. The audio output can be seen here. This audio output is there because the VGA port cannot transmit audio and only transmit video. Well friends, for testing I have a satellite receiver here which has AV audio and video output. You can see here. I connect the AV cable to the audio and video output of the satellite receiver. Yellow for video, white and red for audio. You can see output AV from satellite receiver to input AV to VGA converter. As you can see, I have a monitor that only has a VGA input, so I connect the VGA output of the converter to the monitor with the VGA cable. Okay, input AV port from satellite receiver, output VGA port to monitor. At the end, you need to connect this USB power cable to a mobile charger or a USB port. I connect it to the USB port of the satellite receiver. USB port of satellite receiver for power. That's good. Excellent, everything is ready. I will turn on the satellite receiver and we will see that the AV output of satellite receiver is converted to VGA and video is shown on our monitor. Okay, as you can see, I try open the menu of satellite receiver. You can see convert AV to VGA. And as you can see, if you need to receive audio output, you must receive a stereo audio from this AUX socket with this cable, for example, to your speaker or audio system. Well, my friend,